Today I'm going to teach you how you can install the new HYIP version 11 script. If you have version 7.8, version 10, version 11 has been released. And in this version 11, it has other features and it has other front end. As you can see, it has a new red theme. Then it has another one like this. Before it has just this version. This is version 10, this is version 7.5, and so on and so forth. So this tutorial will be teaching you how you can install the new script and how you can navigate through the admin dashboard. So I have uploaded my script to my cPanel and I've extracted it. So if you've not done it, you need to extract it. So once you're done, you have to delete this very zip file because I don't need this zip file anymore. Then I'll delete this documentation. I don't need the documentation either. Then the next time I'm going to double click this and I'll carry this file and move it to my main folder here like this. Then I'm done. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to delete this very folder. Now, like I always said, make sure your .htaccess is there. Make sure your .htaccess is there. So the next thing you are going to do here is go to your URL and type the name of the folder. Then you put a /install at the end, /install. So once it is there, you move to the next step. Click on next. Make sure all these required server are lit out. Then you move to the next step. Then once you move to the next step, we need to give a permission to this folder. So come back to your file and click on core. They will start with Bootstrap. Open Bootstrap. Your permission number is 0775. Then you go back, you go to storage folder. You do the same thing here, the same permission storage folder 0775. Then you open the folder, the storage folder itself on app 0775, on framework 0775, then on log 0775. Then once you are done, you come back here to check. Just refresh it and you see that it will we are good to go. So you click on the next step. Now the next step is for us to activate the dashboard. Now this script it just came out, so you need a purchase code. Then I put my purchase code. Then the name of my site is this. I'll put the name of my site. Then my host is localhost. Then my database name, we need to go and create database. I'll go to my site and I'll come to my database wizard. So once I'm done, I'm going to create a database. I'll just call this HYIP v11. I'll just click on next and I'll repeat the same thing here. I'll copy the name because I'm using it as my database name and as my database username. Then I'll come back and auto-generate a password. I'll auto-generate a password, copy it and click I have done that. Then I'll create user. I'll come to my password here. I'll place it here. Then we need to come back here because we need to give it a permission. All privilege, you click on this grant all privilege and we click and make changes. So we are done with this. So once you have made the changes, you need to come back to this place and you need to create your admin username. I'll just call this admin. Then my password, I'll just give it a password. Just give it a password. Then my email, I'll just give it my email, support@omatechdigitals.com. So once you are done with this, make sure everything is intact like this and you click on install now. Then you wait for the system to verify the purchase code. It must come with a purchase code. Now we are done. Then the next thing you do is click on visit home page. Here, as you can see, this is the front page of the version 11. One of the team added. I think this is beautiful. This is beautiful compared to 7.8 and version 10. Like the column combination is great. So I think you need a script, yeah. You need a script. This is clean. Let's see on the login page. I love this version. Man, this version is clean. Let's click on the registration page. I think the back end is just like the former one. Okay, let's log into our admin dashboard. Let's see how the admin dashboard looks like. Like I said, once you log into the admin, the first thing you need to do is to activate your cron job. Just copy this set cron, copy it, then go back to your cPanel. From your cPanel, just type cron job, then scroll that. Then on this command setting, put per 5 minutes. So meaning in every 5 minutes, the system will be checking if there is any return of investment that has not been returned. To return, just copy it and put a command there. Then once the command is there, you just click on add new cron. Add new cron. So once you are done with add new cron, you've set. All right. So we need to deactivate the demo version so that we can make changes to the site. So to do that, just come to the script. Just come to the script. Go back to your .env. You need to locate your .env. This, then make sure you edit it, and you see demo equal to 0. Just turn it to 0 so that it can allow us to make changes to the admin dashboard. We need to configure the email. You come to email config. Now your email config will be here to be on PHP mail settings. So we need to configure our SMTP. So on this mail sent, you put your support email, your official email here. Then your host should be your domain name. Remember, your host should be your domain name. Then your SMTP username is your email address also. Then the password you use on your email address is what you put here, your password. Then your SMTP port is 465. Then your encryption is XXL. Then once you are done, you click on update email preparation. Now, if you have issues in this place, your system is going to generate error 500 anytime the user tries to register or maybe try to take any transaction. So you make sure that your support email is well configured. So once we are done with that, you want to change the settings of the site. You come to general setting on the website. Maybe you want to change the name of the site, and you want to add your name and change maybe the site currency and so on and so forth. So everything is here, as you can see. So I'll just call this HYIP version 11. Then your site currency, you need to put it there. The primary color, how much for sign-up bonus. If someone sign up, how much should be the bonus? Then your country time zone. What is your country time zone? So you just have to choose a country time zone here. So I'm just going to choose this. Then transfer limit per day. How many times can they transfer per day? You can put there what is the transfer charges. You can put it there. Then what is the transfer minimum and what is the transfer maximum? Then you put it there. Then from this place, you still need to change the copyright text also. Just call this HYIP version 11. Then how many withdrawal limits do you want to give to them? Many a day. How many times can they withdraw? It can be here. Now, if you want a situation where you can be receiving email notification and notification on your site, just put it here like this. Now, if you want SMS verification, you can put it there. So I'm just going to check this. The user is authentic. Then if you want to be receiving KYC for the rest of your uploading documents for verification, you activate it here. For me, I don't need it. So I'm just going to go ahead and update my general settings. All right. Once it's there, then you can go to your site and check the name of your site and everything you've made changes to. So everything will reflect like I've made changes to the name. So let's make changes to the email address. The email address. So just scroll down. When you scroll down to this front end, then you scroll down to where you see contact section. So on contact section is where you make these changes here. As you can see before, on my HYIP version 11. So from here you can make changes. So the days, and you can make your location. Nigeria, Africa. Then this you can leave the number there like that. Then the title will be contact us. Then you update. So once you update, it's going to change this very information. Yeah. So you can play around the front end for any changes you want to make and the rest like that. So like I said, a user can create an account and test on the system how the system works. So this is your HYIPMAX version 11. Like I said, this script is available for purchase. For purchase, you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp number or via our email address, and we'll reply you immediately. And if you find value in this video, please, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we release videos like this, will be the first person who say